Ever wonder where your hard earned money disappears by the end of the month? Well, stick around. We are going to solve that mystery in few simple steps. Hello everyone. Welcome to Finance Talks TV and I'm Vidya. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into a topic that is absolutely essential for financial success. Let's kick things off by understanding your income. Like many of you, me and my husband used to think where our salary went. So one fine day, we decided to list down all our income sources like salary, project incentives, quarterly bonuses, etc. It gave us a crystal clear picture of our income situation. Take a moment to list down all your income sources, and when you do this, don't forget to include rental income from properties, allowances and commissions. This will give you a clear view of your financial reality. Now let's tackle the spending puzzle, those expenses that make up your financial landscape. For us, it was never easy to get our bills sorted. So we took time and categorized them into housing, utilities, groceries. So all these started fitting into place, giving us a clear view of our financial puzzle. Create categories for your expenses. It could be as simple as fixed expenses like your rent, utilities, etc. and variable expenses like your groceries, movies, dining out, etc. This will reveal where your money is truly going, setting the stage for effective budgeting. Armed with the knowledge of income and expenses, it's time to create your budget. We were once anxious about spending, but we feel liberating to assign each rupee a purpose, bills, savings, and a little extra for that much needed movie weekend. Use budgeting tools or simple Excel sheets to streamline the process. Allocate a percentage of your income for savings and essential expenses. Include a category for discretionary expenses or that occasional weekend outing. It is very important to maintain a healthy financial balance and avoid burnout. Create a budget where every rupee has a specific job. But don't be too specific, tracking a milk packet of 24 or a biryani of 350 or even a parking charge of 70 rupees. Instead, categorize them into two main categories, essentials and discretionary, and track these monthly until you get a hang of it. This ensures that you're making intentional decision about your money rather than allowing it to slip through your hands. It helps you to understand your saving capacity and to spend guilt-free within your budget, allowing you to truly enjoy your spends while also investing for your life goals. Now let me walk you through a sample budget. Whether you are a pen and paper enthusiast or a tech-savvy individual, budgeting can be tailored as per your style. So here's a simple approach. Start by including your essentials and discretionary spending. And when you do this, don't forget periodic expenses like your annual insurance premiums. List down all your monthly essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and so on. Then don't forget to include those occasional treats and other expenses. Assign a budgeted amount to each category, making every single rupee a specific job. Keep it broad initially, grouping similar expenses together like entertainment or eating out. This will provide you a dynamic view of where your money is actually going. Now, if you are an Excel person, then you can manage this effortlessly by downloading the sample template given in the description below. Whether on paper or Excel, the key is to track your monthly spending, allowing you to refine your budgeting strategy as you go. Here's a simple trick that works wonder for us. We have two bank accounts each, one for our earnings and investments and the other for our monthly spending. At the beginning of the month, we transfer the monthly spending amount to the spending account. All bills and UPI payments are done from there. If the balance gets low, we stop spending until more money comes in. It's an easy way to stay within budget, and I think it could work for you as well. I hope this is a good start for your personal finance journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and families. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share your personal budgeting experience in the comments below. Stay tuned for more informational videos on personal finance. Until next time, may your money glow brighter each day.